Hey, what's up, guys? It is Greg Luther with you here today, and I just got off the phone this morning with someone concerning a certain conversation that I think you'll find very helpful. This is an agent that's been working with me for quite a while here. We actually have our calls early in the morning, 8 a.m. my time, which is 7 a.m. his time. And we have those calls early in the morning because he is a very busy real estate agent. He's doing extremely well now. However, the conversation was very, very good. And I thought it'd be helpful for you because it talks about our core foundation. Now, incidentally, I'm going to make you an offer here. I train on our core foundation. Every single Wednesday, I show you 4 simple approaches that will get you some buyers and sellers immediately. So we do that every Wednesday. If you're interested in a deep dive on that, you can go to blueprint4closings.com. Just type that in and you can register for the Wednesday webinar. I do it every single Wednesday, but it's teaching what I'm getting ready to tell you about here. So if you do want that deeper dive, you can go to blueprint4closings.com. Anybody that's watching that, if you can type that in the comments so someone can just click on it, make sure you got it spelled right. Anyway, conversation with him this morning was last month, in the month of January, he was able to close 8 transactions strictly using 3 of our core foundation principles. Let me tell you what those 3 are. The sources that he was utilizing. Number 1, for sale by owners. Number 2, expireds. And number 3, divorce attorneys that are referring business to him. And if you can get yourself 7 or 8 closings from just those 3 sources, you've seen some of our other Facebook Lives that we do where the for sale by owner training, that's completely free to get with FSBOs, to market to them, to get to their kitchen table before the sun goes down today. That's completely free of charge. It costs you no money for that type of marketing. So that is a very profitable approach. And again, I don't know the split. I had a coaching call with him this morning. I don't know the split, but my notes do show here 8 closings from 3 sources. That's a heck of a way to start out your January, start out your year. I think you'll agree with that. So for sale by owners, incredibly profitable, and again, 0 cost in marketing. So that works well. The expired campaigns and the funnels we use for that, I knew my dog would be disrupting us while we were doing this here. She's always trying to get in on the video. One of these days I may show her to you. But anyway, expired campaigns, that works extremely well for us as well. What you've got to think about when you're marketing to real estate, or as a real estate agent marketing to buyers and sellers, you're looking for motivation, right? How can I find motivated prospects that are actually looking now? I'm not interested in leads. I'm not interested in contact info of someone that's casually looking or may have an interest in the future. What I'm interested in is people that want to sell their house now. So let's look at FSBOs, currently trying to sell, expireds, currently trying to sell, 6 months more motivated than they were, because guess what? They were overpriced. That's why they didn't sell the first time. You got to fix that part. And then number 3, divorcing clients. The court actually requires, as a decree of the divorce, you must sell that asset. We get that deal because the attorneys refer it to us. So those are 3 different approaches that you can use that can be very profitable for you. Again, I teach all of that at blueprint4closings.com. It's a free webinar. You're welcome to opt in and get on that on any given Wednesday. We cover it every single Wednesday. And I think you'll find it to be very, very helpful to start working with motivated prospects. So if they're actively showing that they want to sell right now, you're going to find that you will do extremely well because their motivation is there. They're ready to rock. So if you've got a good offer, you're going to get that business. So rather than like door knocking or buying leads from Zillow or even running ads like find out how much your home is worth, those are people that may want to move if everything lines up the right way. But they're going to say, I'm not in a hurry. We can wait another 2 years, all of that good stuff. So what you want to do is start thinking about, how do I find those motivated prospects, FSBOs, expireds, and divorce attorneys? And then how do I have a good offer so they're willing to work with us? Crucial for you to have that in this marketplace. I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful if you're going after the right prospects. We have systems and frameworks that we utilize. All of the agents involved with our systems here, they use those frameworks so that they can get in front of those clients and ultimately get those closed. So definitely important for you to do so. Hopefully that's helpful for you. If there's anything I can do to help you out, I want you to reach out. I'm here to help you. Again, you can go to blueprintforclosings.com if you'd like to check out that free webinar training. There will be a pitch in that training, so I don't like to do the slimy stuff. Like, I'm here to help you. I'm here to get you closings. You'll get tons of value out of the training, but we do talk a little bit about our coaching at the end. If you don't want to listen to that, you hang up at the end, and you got tons of great information so you can close some deals, attract some new buyers and sellers in your local marketplace. So we cover that every Wednesday. Hopefully that's helpful for you. And again, any questions you have, reach out to me here. I'm here to help you. I want to help you to grow your business. So I think my dog's dying for some attention here. I better get rolling. Until then, get out there, make some money, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.